hear the birds? Welcome to my studio. Fairbanks, Alaska is the farthest north stop for many birds, and Creamer's Field is the place to be. Let's go take a look. Cranes are among the oldest living birds on this planet. I like to think of them as dinosaurs with feathers. And he's just showing off his fine feathers. The others seem to be bored with him. Those huge trumpeter swans come to see us too. Take a look at that wingspan. They are huge. The swan is making a terrible fuss. His mate is floating away peacefully. It's almost as if she's looking at us apologetically. Canada geese are waddling around, foraging for food. Did you know that they keep track of each other through their honking? That's why you can always hear them in the field before you even see them. This little guy seems to be hiding in the shadows. He's a common goldeneye. I've been working on this painting for over a year. Creamer's Field is a magical place. Cranes, swans, ducks, geese, they will all migrate out of Alaska. But I've captured these on canvas. It's my way of holding on to a piece of summer. It's a summery celebration of birds. Can you hear the birds? And feel the sunshine? This painting is complete. Sunshine, coffee, and a little bit of cinnamon. It's a good combination. See you next time.